So here is another question on the sum of n terms of an AP. So it is given the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1505 and its first term is 10. Find the 25th term. Okay, so we'll write the information which is given. For the AP, we have the sum of the first 14 terms is equal to 1505 and the first term of the AP is equal to 10. We have to find out the 25th term. Okay, so we have the sum of n terms formula given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so okay, this is a bit lagging. Okay, Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. So here we have n is equal to 14. Sn is equal to 1505. So if we put the value here, we will have 14 by 2, a is equal to 10, 2 into 10 plus 14 minus 1 into d is equal to 1505. Okay, we have to find out the value of common difference. Applies 7 to 20 plus 13d is equal to 1505. That implies 20 plus 13d is equal to 1505 by 7. So if we cancel 2, so 7 14 remaining 1, so 1, 10 minus 7 3, so 5. Okay, so we have 20 plus 13d is equal to 250. That implies 13d is equal to 215 minus 20, which is equal to, that implies 13d is equal to 195 plus d is equal to 195 by 13. We have 1, 19 minus 13 6, so it is 15. So that implies the common difference is equal to 15. Okay, the common difference is equal to 15. Now it has been asked to find the 25th term. So we have the nth term formula, the general nth term formula, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have all the information with us. Okay, n is equal to 25, a is equal to 10, d we found out 15, so we'll simply put the value and get the result. So that is equal to 10 plus 25 minus 1 into 15 is equal to 10 plus 24 into 15 is equal to 10 plus, this is equal to 15 into 360. Okay, 15 into 20 is 300, 15 into 4 is 60, 360. So 10 plus 360, which is equal to 370. So the 25th term, that is equal to 370. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, so here is another question on sum of n terms of an AP. It is given, find the number of terms of the AP given by minus 12, minus 9, minus 6, up to 21, the last term. And then it is given, if 1 is added to each term of this AP, then find the sum of all the terms of the resulting AP. Okay, so it is given here that the AP is the arithmetic progression, the terms they are minus 12, minus 9, minus 6 up to 21. Okay, here this is the first term, and we have the common difference, that is equal to minus 9 minus 12, so it is equal to 3. The common difference is equal to 3. Now here the last term, that is equal to 21. So here if we use the formula, the nth term formula, which is equal to a plus n minus 1 d, which is equal to the last term, d, if we want to determine the total number of terms. So if we use this formula, we have minus 12 plus n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 21. That implies 3 into n minus 1 is equal to 21 plus 12, which is equal to 33. That implies n minus 1 is equal to 33 by 3, which is equal to 11. That implies n is equal to 11 plus 1, which is equal to 12. The total number of terms present in the AP is 12. Then it is said, if 1 is added to each of these terms, then a new AP will be formed. So this new arithmetic progression will be 1 added to each term. So minus 12 plus 1, that is equal to minus 11. Minus 9 plus 1, that is be equal to minus 8. Minus 6 plus 1, that is equal to minus 5. And 21 plus 1, that is equal to 22. So here in this AP, this is the first term, this is the last term, and the common difference minus 8 minus 11, so same common difference is equal to 3. So here we have to find out the sum of the total number of terms. So that is equal to, the total number of terms is 12. So S12 is equal to, here we'll be using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 to a plus l, where n is the total number of terms, a is the first term, l is the last term. We have all the information with us, so it will be equal to 12 by 2 into a, which is equal to minus 11, plus 22, which is the last term, equals to l, equal to 6. 12 by 2 is 6 into 11, that is equal to 66. So this is the sum of the total number of terms, that is n is equal to 12, S12, that is equal to 66. Okay, so this is that. So here is another question on sum of n terms of an AP. It is given the sum of the first 6 terms of an AP is 42, and the ratio of the 10th to 30th term is 1:3. Find the first and 13th term of the AP. Okay, so here for this AP, let's say, again using the general convention, let's say the first term is A and the common difference is D. It is given that the sum of the first 6 terms of the AP is 42. Now we know that the general formula for the nth sum of n terms of an AP is n by 2 to 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So if we go by this formula here, S6 is equal to 6 by 2 to 2a plus 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5d, that is equal to 42. That implies 3 into 2a plus 5d is equal to 42. That implies 2a plus 5d is equal to 42 by 3, which is equal to 40. 2a plus 5d is equal to 40. This is the first equation which we are going to use. Then we have the other information that the ratio of the 10th to 30th term, that is equal to 1 by 3. That is T10 by T30 is equal to 1 by 3. Now we know the general formula for the nth term of the AP, that is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here that implies T10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1D, n is equal to 10, A plus 10 minus 1D, that is A plus 9D. And this is equal to A plus 30 minus 1, that is equal to 29D, that is equal to 1 by 3. That implies 3 into A plus 9D cross multiplying equal to A plus 29D. That implies 3A plus 27D is equal to A plus 29D. That implies 3A minus A is equal to 29D minus 27D. That implies 2A is equal to 2D. That implies A is equal to D. This is another important relationship. So we have the first equation, that is 2A plus 5D 2a plus 5d is equal to 14. So if we put this, okay, a is equal to d, that implies 2a plus 5a is equal to 14. That implies 7a is equal to 14. That implies a is equal to 14 by 7 is equal to 2. So a is equal to 2. That implies common difference is also equal to 2 because a is equal to d. So we have the first term and the common difference. It is also asked to find the 13th term. Okay, so the 13th term, T13 is equal to a plus 12d, a plus 13 minus 1d, a plus n minus 1d formula, this. So that is equal to 2 plus 12 into 2 equal to 2 plus 24, that is equal to 26. So the 13th term is equal to 26. So we have the 13th term and we have the first term which was asked. Okay.